Here is a quick and easy guide on how to apply for a job opening here at Remote Philippines. First, open up a new tab and click or copy and paste the link provided in the caption of this video. From there, click Start Now. You can then proceed to fill up any necessary information in the application form. For the contact number, please make sure that it is in this format, starting with 0. For your LinkedIn profile link, go to your respective LinkedIn profile, then copy the link shown on the screen. For your CV URL, go to your respective G drive and upload your CV in PDF format. When copying your CV link, make sure that the access is anyone with the link. When you're done, click Submit. So what are you waiting for? Check out our social media platforms for our latest job openings and apply today.